In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit navigation tab on Weebly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your site editor and where to find the pages that control what appears in your navigation menu so you can confidently prepare your changes. Start by heading to your Weebly account and opening the overview for the site you want to work on. The overview is your site's home base. It's where you quickly see what's connected to the site and where you can jump into editing. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one before moving forward. From the overview, click on Website. This takes you into the website area for that specific site, rather than anything related to store management or account settings. Think of it as narrowing your focus to just the content and design side of things, which is exactly where navigation lives. Next, click Edit Site. This opens the Weebly site editor, the drag and drop builder where you can see your pages, your header, and a live preview of your layout. Give it a second to load fully. You'll notice the interface shows your page canvas in the center, with editing options in the surrounding panels. Once you're in the editor, click on Home. Opening the home page gives you a clear front and center view of your main navigation bar as visitors will see it. It's the best place to get your bearings because most themes display the primary navigation prominently on the home page header. Now, look for your category pages. In the editor, open the Pages area to see the full list of pages that feed your navigation. Here, you'll be able to identify top-level pages that appear directly in the menu, as well as nested pages that create drop-downs. These are often what people mean by category pages. They serve as parent items or sections that group related content. As you scan the list, note the names and the hierarchy. The order you see here typically mirrors the left to right order in your navigation. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, scroll through the list or switch to the Pages tab if another panel is open. This view is where you'll confirm which items are currently part of the menu and which ones are organized under others. At this point, you're in the right place to adjust your navigation structure. You can plan how you want items labeled or grouped, knowing that the Pages panel controls what appears in the nav and how it's arranged. When you're ready to make changes, you'll do it right here in the Pages area, then review the preview on the home page to confirm everything looks the way you expect.